Greetings, fellow crafters. What a wonderful day. I hope you'll join me in congratulating the Queen on her Platinum Jubilee. Fantastic achievement, and we have adorned our accommodation for tonight with a few flags just to celebrate. And I'll take you to the accommodation in a minute. It's taken about 4 hours to set this up, so I didn't film setting it up, and I hope you'll understand. But normally I'm doing kind of bushcrafty, camping-y videos, probably more erring on the side of bushcraft. This is in a completely different direction. For those of you who haven't visited the channel before, then please do, if you enjoy the video, please do subscribe to the channel, because there's plenty of, there are lots of videos that we're creating which are great fun, and it's all about having fun outside. It's me in the middle, and I'm nowhere near the top. I'm probably a good 2 feet off the top. It's a bit like a bell tent, but it's got 2 poles in the middle. I'll try and show you the structure later, but it's a bit too sunny at the moment to be able to film inside. But you can see it's quite a big tent. In fact, I think there are performing monkeys and elephants and things in there. It must be sort of Billy Smart's circus or something. Now, when you look at the view that we have, isn't it stunning? We can see it must be about 5 or 6 miles over there. It's absolutely brilliant, the view. I'll just pan it around a bit. Absolutely stunning. And what a day for it as well. Apart from having Queen Elizabeth just outside our bedroom window, that's the view from our bedroom window. Isn't it fantastic? Just feels. I'll pan round from the bedroom window as well so you can see that. Now, some of you will recognise, or may recognise, this location. This was the place that I did the video of Storm Arwen, which seemed to be quite well received. It was great fun doing that video, especially up here because it's so high, so it really caught the wind and unfortunately broke my tent. But you can catch up on that in the video. Loads of space. My arms aren't quite long enough to get you in. You have to come over. There you go. There were 2 in the bed, and the fat one said, "Roll over."
Welcome to Dick and the Missus.
No, Dick and the Missus.
Dick and the Missus. Sorry.
Oh dear.
Dick.
Well, it could be.
Dick and the Missus.
So I thought I'd show you the inside before I show you the outside. So this is our bed for tonight, and again, it's vastly different from all of the beds you've seen in any of the videos that I've done. It's a king-size bed, and it's an inflatable one, which is fantastic, but it also inflates using the Jackery, because I think it's only 150 watts. So that's the bedroom. Now, no glamping experience would be complete without central heating. So we have a paraffin heater, which is one of these catalytic ones, and it doesn't emit nasty stuff because it's built to be inside. So as long as you've got some ventilation, it's fine. You can't see the CO monitor, but there is one just to the left of the fire, obviously just in case. Then we come to the camp kitchen, which again is something completely different. Now, I think the video that will come out before this one, you'll understand why that oven's there, because there was supposed to be a different oven and a separate cooker, but unfortunately the oven was faulty, so we had to replace it with that one. That one came out of the expedition truck that we built. So that's the kitchen department, and we'll move on to the lounge. We also thought it would be appropriate to bring Heinrich the moose along. In fact, it might be a red deer, I'm not sure, but it's absolutely everyone friendly because it's a furry stuffed one. So some of you will recognise, if you've watched the other videos that I've done, these inflatable armchairs. They've done a few miles, I can tell you. And Sarah's been creating this lovely floral display, which rather sets everything off. And then we've gone all British again. And we've got a Union Jack tablecloth, a backgammon set, and of course, I'll see if I can zoom in on it. You have to have a bit of light bedtime reading, which is the Raymir's Bushcraft Bible. Oh, and one more thing. Just in case I get a bit short of beer, I can summon Chef Richard to the fore to replenish my beverage. So this is the outside of the end of the tent. So I'd bring you slowly in and you can see just where we were a minute ago in the lounge. Obviously adorned with bunting. Well, that has been the hardest setup I've ever done. I will show you it in a minute, but first I'm having a cup of tea. And this is so well earned. I think I must have sweated about four cups of tea out already. So cheers. A slightly topical ice bucket. Another quintessential bank holiday. Sorry, English bank holiday. No, British bank holiday. UK bank holiday. Welcome to the Jubilee celebration. As you can see on the table in front of you, I have been indeed crafting, but I wasn't bushcrafting, I was sandwich crafting. Have a look at that for a nice high tea. So we have salmon and cucumber sandwiches, an egg and microgreens sandwiches, and then just to cap it all off, macaroons and some rather tasty looking chocolates. On with the Jubilee. And it's still raining, but we don't care. This is how shadow camping rolls with the weather. Oh, so that's a welcoming sound. Well, here you go. Cheers, Queen Elizabeth.
Well done, Queenie.
Absolutely, 70 years. Delicious. Right, would you like to have a little sandwich?
Yeah.
One of those. One of these as well. Maybe a triangular one.
One bite and it's gone.
See if I can show you my delicious plate of high tea sandwiches. Not a typical bank holiday, isn't it? I think it must be that the noise that you always hear on a bank holiday. We've been camping, I think both of us were camping when we were 18 months old, and it's pretty much done this most bank holidays, but we don't care. I was getting a little chilly, and I can have a blanket. Not sure about the pink dinosaurs, but we haven't got anything to do really. We've got no wood prep because we've got central heating. We've got a fire pit outside and the wood's already here. I might have to use a lighter later to light the lights. It's about the maximum effort I've got to put in today. So when it gets a little bit chilly in the evenings, you put the heater on. Central heating in the tent.
Oh.
That is glamping. Dorset roast lamb, potatoes, flowering cauliflower, green beans and sausage bombs. Cheers.
Cheers, thank you.
Well, it's that time again. I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching the video. I do hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed your own celebrations of the Platinum Jubilee. I do look forward to seeing you again on the next video. Bye bye.